What do you even do in a vlog?
Hello everyone, I'm here with Kylie.
Hello.
You would know what to do in a vlog if you watched my videos. Which
I did watch your videos. I watched some of them on last Friday. I watched your mango one. Because it was lit.
That really narrows it down because mango isn't in all of my videos.
The Bad and Bougie one.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I liked it.
So we're vlogging today. I forgot to vlog, like we just went to a pet store, but we're going to more, so it's okay. Right now we're going to Petco. I don't shop at Petco because I don't agree with it, but
I volunteer there. Not with Petco, with a different volunteer agency,
yeah,
so.
But we're gonna go look at the cute animals and I'm not gonna buy anything anyways. So yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just have a whole video about how I don't shop at PetSmart or Petco.
Well, I mean, we're just looking at animals. We're just trying to find something to fill our day with, fun things to
I just don't want to be like a hypocrite and have people think that I like shop there even though I tell people not to. And it's not your fault. So yeah, I'll film some cute animals, don't worry. And then I'm gonna go to the pet store that we got Desmond at. I got Desmond at.
We did?
We did,
because we're married. It's our animal,
yes.
So.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Alright, so we're at Petco now. There's mice. Oh my god. Look at them go. Wow, look at that one. What an adventurous one.
I love it.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Tyler, let's buy one.
Hello. Okay.
That's a bad idea.
I'll take them all. Burbs. Burbs. Burbs.
Burb.
Burbs.
Burb.
Burbs.
Burb.
Burbs.
Burb.
Hello.
He's chosen me. We're
You guys didn't
friends.
see this, but he was over there and he just jumped onto the glass.
We're best friends.
Wow.
Look at him.
And then there's these bearded dragons. I miss my bearded dragons. Oh my god.
Here's leopard geckos with big.
Leopard geckos. Hello. Hello, friends. Hello. Hello.
Baby tarantulas.
Oh my god, I want a crested gecko. Why is it $80 though?
They got weird eyeballs. Get a chameleon. Oh, mama kill me. And I heard they're kind of like a lot of work.
They are. And you can't even handle them. Because they get too stressed out. Hello. Oh. Wow.
Do your thing, Tyler. I don't know what you want me to say.
What?
I don't know. I thought we should vlog this.
Hello everyone. So we're driving again. Petco was okay. But now we're going to Lou's Pet Shop where I got Desmond. And they have a bunch of cool animals. They have sugar gliders. They have what's it called? A stingray or something? I don't know.
Let's buy it.
Yeah, we should buy it.
We definitely would not get killed by our parents if we came home with a fucking stingray.
Oh my god, but I can show you guys that giant rabbit that they have there that's bigger than Desmond. Oh, it's so good. So good.
So good.
It's so good.
So good. So now we're driving and
yeah. And then we're going to a vegetarian vegan place.
It's gonna be lit.
So
we're gonna eat some food.
So lit, yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. Hello.
We're at Lou's Pet Shop now. And look at this really creepy looking turtle.
That's weird. That's offensive.
I mean, it's weird. I don't know. I like it. It has like a weird worm looking thing. I don't know.
I love it. It's everything to me.
It doesn't even look real.
Maybe it's not.
But yeah, there's a giant rabbit somewhere, so we need to find it. And there's a giant tortoise that's here sometimes. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated.
Sure.
Iguana.
It's a spider. Red eyes, pale tail? Absolutely.
Big bun spotted.
Oh.
What a fluffer. What a good dog.
What a good dog.
This is such a good dog.
Good dog.
I love dogs like this.
This is such a good dog. Sleepy dog.
Quality dog, 10 out of 10, would recommend. Guys, holy shit. Holy shit, they have sugar gliders. Holy shit, I found the sugar gliders. Oh my god. Oh my god, they have sugar gliders. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Oh my god, that's everything. It's everything I've ever dreamed of. What a good squirrel. What a good squirrel.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
I love it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Oh. What is this? What is this fluffy creature? Come to me. Come here. Oh my god. Hello. Hello, friend. Come to me. We're at a really cool vegetarian restaurant now called Sava in Detroit. It's lit. What did you get, Kylie?
I got some mac and cheese. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited to dig into this.
Yes. And then I got some pad thai without eggs because I'm vegan. Hey, what's up everyone? I forgot to end the vlog because I suck and I'm bad at vlogging. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I had a lot of fun today seeing all the cute animals with Kylie. And I don't know what other way to spend my day than seeing a bunch of cute animals, you know? Like, I don't know. I don't know what there is to say. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So if you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post videos every week. Check out my social media. The links to those are in the description below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.